Hello WordPress people, so welcome back to another video of this playlist called Let's Learn WordPress Gutenberg Blocks. So in one of the previous videos I showed you how to create simple Gutenberg block and then set attribute and set custom category for the block. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can create block settings in the sidebar. Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called WPvoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you. So what is block settings? So let's go to my WordPress backend, and here is the plugin we created in the previous video, BWP search. So let's add a new post. And in this new post I'm gonna add this paragraph block. So when you see our focus is in the paragraph block, we are seeing some of the settings over here. So this is called block setting, and in this video we are going to add this kind of setting in our own custom block. So let's add our own custom block first. So our block is added, so I'm gonna add hello WP. And as you can see, there is no any setting as of now for our plugin or block. So I'm gonna publish this, and I will open the post in another tab. Okay, sorry. So first of all, let me start npm. So let's open the terminal, npm run dev. Npm start. So let's refresh this page again because we don't see the proper color over here. Okay, so now it's proper red. Yeah, because I did not start npm, so the block did not update its settings. So now it's correct. So in order to add the setting, we have to use this. Let me get rid of this first. We can use this component called InspectorControls. So here is the reference documentation for the inspector control. So we can use this component InspectorControls, which comes from block editor. So I'm gonna use this component inside edit.js. So I'm gonna open edit.js from the src folder, and inside our div I'm gonna add this component, and let's add something here. Let's say just simple text. And now if I refresh this page, oh sorry, so we use this component, and also we need to import that component from the block editor. So now if I refresh this page, let's see what happens. So now if I select our block, as you can see, our text started displaying over here. So whatever we add between this tags, it will display in this sidebar as a setting. So that's that. Now let's decide what setting you want to add. So this is our text field, and inside this text field I added this red color text. So let's say we want to provide a setting which sets the font color of this block. So we have to provide a color setting in between this component inspector controls. So for that, what we can do, which setting you can add. So for that, let's go to WordPress block storybook. So in the GitHub pages, I will provide this link into the description section. So here you can see the representation of each component. So I want color selection for our block. So here you can see number of components for colors. So let's say I want what this color indicator does. So it just indicates the color, but I don't want that. I want to select the color. So let's see what we get in the color palette. So yeah, this color palette provides this kind of setting where we can set the color. So this is the perfect component for providing setting color for our block. So here you can see the example of how you can use this color palette. So what I'm gonna do is I will use this component color palette which comes from WordPress components. So first thing first, I will import that component from the WordPress component, and then in between this tag InspectorControls, I will use this example over here. Sorry. And then I will put the control color palette over here like this. So here we have these options, colors. So how this colors comes? So these colors are coming from this. So there's the predefined set of colors. So I'm gonna set this colors, which is red, white and blue. So colors are set. Value, let's not use this at the moment. And on the change, so when we change the color, which function we want to run, so we can run our own custom function over here. But before doing anything over here, so there is one thing we need to take care of, that if we are providing any setting for our block and it is going to affect our output, so for example this color we will change will affect over here as well. So in that case, for any setting you provide, first thing you need to provide is the new attribute for that particular setting. So for that I'm gonna open block.json, and here I'm gonna add new attribute text color, and that text color will be type of string. So this is the main part, we should not forget this. So the setting which is going to affect your output, you should define attribute for that particular setting. Now I'm gonna console.log this attribute. Okay, I'm gonna run npm start again. There was some problem. Yeah, because on change now, so that was our next part, define attribute. We already done that. Now we have to set value of the setting into our newly added attribute. So when we should set the value, so whenever we change the color, at that time we should set that value to our new attribute. So for that we have on change event for the color palette. So for this color palette on change, here you can define your own function, set color. So I'm gonna say set text color, and then this function will set attribute with the set color. So I'm gonna use this function const set color, okay. So in this we will get color, and we can set attribute using set attribute function, and our attribute name is this text color. So text color will get this color value like this. So let's see what happens when we do this. We are logging attributes, so I'm gonna refresh the block. It should start displaying the color palette over here. So when I select this, so yeah, color palette has started displaying. Now let's console.log, inspect and see the console.log, and here we can see some object which has this message. So we have two attributes at the moment. One is message and another one is text color. So we have this text color and so we have this text color and message. So if we select this, so we are getting correct value in this text color. Now we should apply this text color to our block. So for that, first I'm gonna open editor.scss and I will keep this color styling as it is. I'm gonna open style.scss and I will remove this color from here. Okay, and now we can apply style tag over here, and in this style we will set color, and color will be attributes of our text color. So this is how we can set style, inline style in the React. So this will be the style and this will be the object of style property. So now we are setting our selected color for the text controls. I'm gonna refresh this page and let's see what happens. So as we remove the color from the CSS, it is started displaying in black. Now let's click on red. So as you can see, now our text color got applied over here because we set the style color. So if I select white, it will display white. If I select blue, it will display in blue. So let's update this and let's see what happens in the front part. So as you can see, there is nothing changed in the front part. So the last step will be whatever we set attribute, we have to save that setting for the front part as well. So this is the edit.js, which is responsible for editor only, but for the save part we will open save.js. So whatever edit attributes we get or set in this edit function, all the attributes will be available in the save function as well. So here we have div, and in the div same thing, we will apply style. So I'm gonna make this multi-line. So to make multi-line, we have to use this bracket first, and here first is the block props, and now next I will apply style similar to the previous section, and here we will have attributes, so color attributes dot text color, and that's it. So now if I refresh this page again, yeah, we make changes in this save function. So let's click on attempt recovery. Now it's recovered. Now let's select white color and update it. And now let's refresh this page. So as you can see, now our selected color started applying on the front side. So let's select the blue color. So it's blue now, but there is one thing. So whatever we select color over here, it is not reflecting here. So for that we can use this value attribute for the color palette. So I'm gonna go to edit JS again, and in the color palette I will select value, and value will be our selected color. So I will use attributes dot text color, and now if we refresh this, whatever color we select, it will reflect over here. So as you can see, now if I click white, it will become white like this, and any color we select, it is going to change like this on both sides, back end and front end. So this is the video, guys. This is how you can add as many settings as your requirement. In this video I just want to give you an idea how to add this. I'm not going to add and show you all the type of settings. So yeah, if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.